Drainage is easy and fun. Did you know that yards have a secret? They love surprise pools. But don't worry, we're going to transform those puddles into a drainage masterpiece. First step, grab a lemonade and explore your yard. Look for the spots where water likes to gather and party. Next, let's plan the great escape. Draw a path for the water, like a secret agent designing an escape tunnel. Time to dig. Grab a shovel, or that friend who owes you a favor, and start digging the moat for your aquatic kingdom. Lay down a geotextile fabric in the trench. Imagine you're tucking your drainage pipe into a cozy bed. Sprinkle some gravel. It's like a spa treatment for your pipe. Gently place the pipe, holes facing down, like a secret passage for the escaping water. More gravel? Yes, please. We're tucking in the pipe for a good night's sleep. Wrap it up in the fabric like a perfect burrito to keep the dirt away. Fill in the trench, pat it down, and why not do a little victory dance? Add some greenery to camouflage everything like a true gardening ninja. Finally, let the water flow and admire your homemade drainage in action. If the water runs off like it's late for an appointment, you've nailed it. There you have it, folks. Relax, enjoy your swamp-free yard, and why not throw a real party this time?